it's Michelle here from Fine Natural Hair and Faith with a very quick video. Someone asked me to share how I store my hair products. Now, I don't consider myself that much of a product junkie. Like, I've seen some serious setups, and because I live in an apartment, I really don't have space for all of that stuff, but I do have a lot of products. It's just I wouldn't consider it quite product junkie status. Let me give you a quick look into how I store my products. So I store my hair products in my bedroom. I have my television there, and then I have these cubes. Here you'll see is where I keep like rollers and clips. And then I have scarves in this bin right here. But then down below, I pretty much contain everything in cubes. So I have like little plastic containers that I store things in. Those are all my gels. Then at the bottom of the cube is where I keep all of my oils here. Over here in this other cube, which is right next to it, I keep on the top some conditioners. I keep conditioners there. And then down below that is where I keep the stylers. And all the way at the bottom is where I keep things like some other like deep conditioners and, you know, just things that they really don't fit into one particular category. Like I have some leftover Shea Bay, which I may give it away or may just use it up. But as you can see, it's all about containing things in the little plastic organizers inside of the cube so that they don't fall. So yeah, obviously those bins are from the Dollar Tree. Then I've got this cute little like rug thing to kind of decorate the cube, make it look a little bit better. I keep my nail polish on top, but that's it. I don't really have that much, as you can see. I mean, I have products, they're in there, they're in the containers, and that's how I really much keep it contained. Now, as far as my shampoos and other conditioners, I keep them in the shower, right in here. You know, I have some Shea Moisture, some Main Choice. These are just mostly my shampoos. I keep them in the shower. Miel Organics. On the edge of my tub, I keep a few more items. Some of those items aren't even like for the hair. Like this is just a shower butter, but then I have conditioners. You know, I have some other shampoos, ones that I've been using forever. I use this to clarify once in a while. That's by Suave. So that is all. As you can see, not really a product junkie, but I do have quite a few things. Those bins really help to contain all of my bottles. I would say you could fit maybe 10 bottles of something in one of those bins depending on the size. But that's it. You know, nothing special. I used to keep those actual cubes in a closet, but you know, like I said, living in an apartment, don't have much space. I needed that closet to store my brooms and stuff. So that is it. I will see you in my next video.